Today I would like to deal with the term system, and then complexity of a system, and then complex adaptive system. Three terms that I'm using a lot. And I want to do it because many people, due to my IT background, when they hear system, many people, by the way, regardless of my IT background, when they hear system, they think about IT system. And although IT systems are part of system or type of system, when we say system, we are meaning something different. Well, it's the same, but it's more generic. So for us, system is actually board. That's what happens when you're an architect. So system is actually set of parts that are connected or interface one with each other in order to reach a certain goal. Very simple. Every time that you see certain parts that has common goal and they're interacting one with each other to reach it, that's a system. Now, it could be a simple or complicated system, and it could be a complex system. And the difference between, before we are diving into the difference between complexity and complicated, a watch can be a system because there are certain parts that are interact one with each other in order to reach a purpose, which show you the hour. And a group of people, that a church can be a system as well, because there are hundred, tens, I don't know how many people that group together for a certain purpose as well. So systems are the wide variety of systems. Now, I used intentionally the watch and a group of people because it's very easy to understand when a system is complex or complicated based on those two. So both complex and complicated system are systems with many parts, not five. We're talking about many parts. Too many parts to the extent that it's very hard to understand how the system is working without thinking about it, without taking time and effort to drill down and understand how everything is wired together. What drives the difference between a complex and complicated system is that complex systems are unexpected. So nothing is unexpected in a watch. All the parts are engineered to work together, and there is no unexpected behavior in a watch, usually. While if you take a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, there is a lot of unexpected behavior due to the fact, and that's the main difference, that every element in the system, whether you like it or not, has some autonomy. Every guy in an organization, every person in an organization has autonomy to run itself. Whenever it's granted or whenever he believes that he has it, he controls his own body, he's controlling his own emotions, and his emotion, his thinking definitely create unexpected behavior. So that's a complex system. A complex system is a system where the element in the system, their behavior is unexpected. A market is a good example for a complex system. And a team of people is a good example for a complex system. A watch is not a good example because it's not a complex system. It's just a system. Now, what are complex adaptive systems? Complex adaptive systems are complex systems that continuously interact with the environment around them. So the environment sends messages, indication, events, and complex adaptive systems are sensitive to those signs that coming from the environment and continuously adapt themselves internally in order to do it. They will group this way, and due to a new event now they will group that way. There will be behavior A and B and C before a certain event, and after a certain event they will drop behavior or competency or skill set A, and they will start to use D and E. So the system internally is continuously adjusting the way that it's forming, the way that it's interacting, the what we call properties that they created as a group in order to survive and thrive in an environment. It's also, by the way, complex around them, and since it's complex around them, it's changing and enforcing them to adapt themselves all the time. So I hope that I managed to explain what are systems, when systems are complex or complicated, and what are complex adaptive systems. Thanks. Bye.